Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gems in Brawl Stars with Apple gift card. So let's get into the video. So if you have your Apple gift card and you want to make purchases on Brawl Stars to buy gems, so what you can do, you can simply add your gift card to your Apple wallet. So first thing, open up your App Store, and then when you get to your App Store here, click on your profile here on your top right, and then when you get to your profile here, you'll see an option called redeem gift card or code. So we're going to use this to redeem your Apple gift card. So hit on it, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to simply take a photo of your gift card, your iTunes, your Apple gift card, or your card details. You can just manually enter the code and hit on redeem. So when you hit on redeem, then your balance will be added to your Apple ID. So now that your balance from your gift card has been added to your Apple ID, what you can do, you can simply go to your Brawl Stars app, and then now you can purchase your gems through the in-app purchases. So when you do the in-app purchase, then your money will be deducted from your Apple ID, which has been updated with your Apple gift card. So in that way you'll be able to use your Apple gift card for the purchase. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.